person has the right to be healthy and well without distinction of race, religion, political belief, economic, or social condition. No one should get sick because they are poor. What is wellness? According to World Health Organization, wellness is an optimal state of health, physical health, mental health, emotional health, spiritual health, and financial health. It also includes how we live our lives, what products do we buy, and where we work and play. Is your work environment healthy? Are you eating healthy food? Obesity. Obesity is the number one threat to the future health of humanity. 86% think they will live to 73. Chinese people believe they will live to 84. Do you know which brands have contributed to wellness in a positive way? Some of the top brands are Nike, Subway, General Mills, Nestle, and Adidas. Healthiest people. The countries which have the healthiest people are the Mediterranean region, Japan, China, Switzerland, and the USA. Enemies. We would like to be well, but wellness also has its share of enemies. We will call this the champions of enemies. These enemies are economy, environment, global financial crisis, pollution, and stress. Mental health. Mental health is also important. 1 in 10 people report feeling depressed after using the internet. Example, war, crimes, poverty. At least you can be mentally healthy. 49% of people worldwide report exercising to improve their brain health. So, how do the brands help? They adopt one healthy change which can have a positive effect in multiple areas of your life. Wellness heroes. Meet our wellness heroes. We will call them the champions of goodness. They help in maintaining our future wellness. 1. Eating the right food. 2. Doing exercise. 3. Being happy and positive. Happiness is becoming increasingly important. But are we truly happy? Please comment in the comment section. The doctor. In the past, if you became ill, we would go straight to the doctor. The doctor was the center of everything. The patient, pharmaceuticals, local authorities, other healthcare professionals, government. You. But now you are the center of everything, like friends, family, specialists, online forums, doctor, web. 50% refer to Google before they go to the doctor. 54% refer to Google after they come back from the doctor. 1 out of 10 bought medicine online. 1 out of 10 trust the pharmacist more than the doctor. 21% think that the doctor will be replaced in the future. Technology. Technology will transform our future illness. 40% feel more control of their health due to technology. Brazilians will embrace technology to manage the future illness. China and Japan think that technology makes health fun. Reimagining technology in a human context. General Mills Nature Valley sent teams to Yellowstone National Park, Great Smoky Mountains, and the Grand Canyon. They digitally captured 100 miles plus footage of each location so that people who can't go can experience a personal view of hiking these trails from their laptop or iPad from the comfort of their home. Molico Nestle in Brazil showcased women as day-to-day athletes by celebrating their normal activities. Another example, IKEA integrates wellness into everything they do. At IKEA, our vision is to create a better everyday life for the many people. Brands' responsibility. Brands should act responsibly to be a part of the solution and not be a part of the problem. A sci fi vision. Many of us will willingly embrace a sci fi vision of our future health. 1. Remain young always. 2. Erase unpleasant memories. 3. Insert a health measurement microchips. 4. Eliminate any need for sleep. 5. Replace a particular organ or body part. 6. Insert a memory biochip. 7. Cryogenically freeze my body. 8. Taking a vitamin pill instead of a meal. If money was no object, there are many scientific innovations in the world that would one day become reality. Personally, I would like to opt for points 1, 2, 4, 8. Which of these ideas would you consider doing? 74% of the consumers think that wellness will become more important in the future, and yet diabetes and rich world diseases are rising. Technological innovation can transform so much about a health. Conclusion. In conclusion, wellness is a fundamental human right that encompasses physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and financial health. We have explored the importance of wellness, the enemies that threaten it, and the heroes that can help us achieve it. As we move forward, let's remember that wellness is a journey, not a destination. By making small changes to our daily lives and advocating for a healthier world, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. So let's take the first step today and prioritize our wellness. Consider sharing and subscribing. Have a good day.